Alright YouTube, this is what we got. I've tried almost everything possible to recondition this battery right here. I've gotten me some tools. I've purchased load testers, hydrometer, voltmeters, you name it. Okay, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube about Epson Salt. Anyways, this is my last attempt. What's happening with my golf cart is that it only runs for about an hour, and when I'm done, I check the voltage on all these batteries and they all read 6.2, 6.3, etc., except for this one. This one reads like 4.5 after I ride the golf cart for about an hour. Now, when I charge the cart and I check all of them, they all read well. They all read about the same. So what's happening is this battery isn't holding a charge as long as these other ones. This one was completely bad, so I purchased this one from Square Deal Battery out here in Tampa, and this works great, but it's reconditioned. So I don't know if you guys feel this way, but I want to know what the hell they're doing to recondition these batteries that I can't do. So let me see if I can show you some of the, see how clear that is in there? Okay, and this is mine. It's not bad because I just did a few things. I'll tell you here in a second what I did, but it's kind of hard to tell. Alright, so what I just finished doing to this battery was the following. I dumped all the acid out into this bucket here, okay? And then I took my hose and I filled each cell up again and shook the battery and dumped it out, and I did that like 3 times, just rinsed out everything inside the battery. And then I went and took this pot right here. I boiled water and added Epson salt to it. No specific amount, maybe about a cup of Epson salt, cup and a half. And this thing was full, maybe what, 3/4 of the way up, okay? And then with the water hot and boiling, I brought it out here and I filled this battery up. All right, shook it up a little bit and put it back in the cart. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do, for the purpose of the video, a hydrometer test on my battery that I purchased from Square Deal and mine here, so I could do a follow-up video on if this worked. All right, so give me 1 second here. Putting my gloves on. I don't have latex gloves, so I'm just gonna wear these. At least protect me somewhat, just in case. All right. So we're gonna do the hydrometer test on this battery right here. Okay. Water's at the fill line. And look at that. 1 second here, I don't want to make a mess. You guys see that? Focus. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Alright, anyways, it's reading good. That right there reads 1.300. And that black arrow is all the way good, okay? That's the one that I purchased. Alright, so now let's go to this one. This one should be completely dead, but we'll do it for the purpose of the video. Water's nice and clear. The water that came out of this was completely filthy, or the water acid mix, if you will. Okay, and if you can see, that's all the way at the bottom. Why isn't this focusing? But you guys can see that, I think. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna trickle charge this battery right here. I'm gonna trickle charge this battery. Let me see what I'm gonna use first. The only 6-volt charger that I have is 10 amps, I believe. So let's check it out. Yeah, The only one I got right here is this shows 6 volt 10 amp. So I'm gonna go with that first and see what happens. All right, and I'll do a follow-up video. All right, let's see.